we have to evaluate this question. Now look at here what we are doing. First of all, we are writing solution. 9 to the power minus 1 as it is plus 9 to the power 0 plus 9 to the power half. Now look at here. 9 to the power minus 1 means 1 upon 9 plus any base having power 0 is 1. So now this is, we can write under root 9. 1 upon 9 as it is plus 1 as it is plus under root 9 is 3 and 1 plus 3 is 4 upon 1. So we are multiplying and dividing by 9 or taking LCM. So it is 1 upon 9 plus 36 upon 9. 9 is LCM means sum. So we have 1 plus 36. This is 37 upon 9. And we can write this value 9 for the 36. 1 left and 9. So this value we can write in mixed number 4 whole 1 upon 9.